Today we're going to go over 4 earnings reports for Oracle, C3 AI, MongoDB, and Casey's General Store. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Wealth Time. My name is Noble BM, and in today's video we're going to go over the earnings reports of 4 companies, and we're also going to do a bit of risk analysis in order for us to determine should we buy, sell, or hold these companies. Let's talk about MongoDB, and they also reported the earnings yesterday after the bell with their recent reports. It's a October 31st, 2024 fiscal year, and now the company's performance was strong. You can clearly see here they did report exceptionally good earnings with surprise of 68.95% for their earnings, and their revenue was also up with a surprise of 6.46%. Now let's go over a couple of key features here. The total revenue of 529.4 million was up 22% year over year. Their cloud revenue was up 360%, which is up 26% year over year. Customer growth was up to 526 to 52,600 customers as of October 31. The non-GAAP operating income was 82.2 and a non-GAAP net income of 58.5. Both of them are millions, not billions. Okay, so they're driving growth with 3 sectors. First of all, strong demand for database solutions. MongoDB's flexible and scalable data platforms continue to gain traction across various industries. These industries include financial industries, healthcare, and e-commerce, of course. Now let's also talk about the cloud adaptation. The company cloud-based database service, MongoDB Atlas, is expected to grow significantly as the organization increasingly adopts a cloud-native technology. They also have a couple of strategic partnerships because MongoDB partnerships with major cloud providers as like AWS, Azure, and GCP has helped expand their market reach. Now let's go over a couple of technicals here. So the stock is down. They're just hit here the 200-day moving average, which is reversed. So 250 and 100. The 50 crossed the 100, but it was trying to indicate here a pretty good growth for MongoDB. Now the stock price has been on an uptrend, reflecting the company's strong financial performance and positive outlook. The stock currently trades at the PE ratio of approximately 40 times, which is relatively high compared to the industry averages. But however, given the company's growth potential and strong market positions, the valuation may be justified for MongoDB. Let's also take a look at a couple of technicals here. So the stock behaved pretty badly for the entire year. In the last 10 days, they're down to their earnings report, and also do not forget that most mutual funds are selling now stocks. So let's do here a little bit of risk assessment for MongoDB. Let's say that their RSI is currently at 46, below a 50, which is a medium RSI. So I'll leave this as a medium risk. The MACD is currently triggered a sell signal. So I'm going to leave this as medium risk. It could just reverse. In a couple of days, this could reverse. It's no longer overbought, but it's also not oversold. Their PE ratio is, the EPS is currently negative with 2.74. So I'm not going to take any EPS into consideration right now for earnings per share because that's just going to be crazy. They are a technology company, so I would say that this is normal. Now let's see what the analysts say for growth. Go to forecast, and they're forecasting the 28 medium or average return. Now let's take this into consideration. This is very interesting. So if year return is 28, which is massively above the 8% return, then I would say that this is a low-ish risk. I wouldn't say that this is a very low risk. A very low risk was Google. I don't know if it's still there because they had a massive jump today. Now, it doesn't yield any kind of dividends, so I'm not going to take this into consideration. But MongoDB does look interesting for the moment. I would wait for this right here to define itself. Is it going to sell off a bit or not? So it does look interesting, but let me hear from you in the comment section below. What do you think? Is MongoDB a sell, buy, or maybe hold if you already have MongoDB stock in your portfolio? So that's it for today's episode. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like and subscribe. Definitely come by the website. We did move the website. Now it's at Manhart Media, no longer at WealthDom. So the link is down in the description below. Definitely check it out. You're going to see all of the posts. Every data that I just talked about is in the blog post for each and every company. With this being said, thank you so much for watching. I know WBM. Stay safe out there. Catch you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.